part 2. So we're almost done. I think these are so cute. Still, the golden one is my favorite. I'm so happy. This one's bulging out too. Wonder what's making this one bulge out. So, these are so cute. Ooh, I like this one. It's washable tempera art paint. So, oh yeah, my finger's bleeding, but this is so cute. Another frisbee. I hope I never see that one again. I don't want. Ooh. I used to watch this show when I was little too. The Ninja Turtles Rescue. Well, I'm kind of happy to get this one again. Paints, art supplies, yes, but something kind of stupid. Oh, what's this? It's a slime gun. See? It's a slime gun. It goes perfect with this. See? Last one. I just can't believe I got a golden one today. So, I wish I wish these things weren't so hard to open, but I guess for people not to steal them at the store, they have to. Because people probably would steal these from the store. Let's put that in the trash. Okay. More repeats. Oh well. Oh, this one's cute. It's a little Robo-Alive dinosaur. I haven't got this one. Oh, I like this little fingerling I got. She's cute. 2 more. No repeats. Please no repeats. Well, another card. A hula hoop. Oh well. We got some really cute things. So let's see here. I really like them all. Let's see if I have time to put the cart and stuff together. I need to get rid of some stuff. Not get rid of all the little cart. Put the cart. What I'm trying to say is put the cart pieces together so I don't lose any of them. What I'm trying to say. So. This thing must really roll. Okay. I guess that's how it goes. And then I guess this. I really don't know. I'll put it off together off camera and hope you stay certain kind. See you next week. Bye.